Okay, during the previous videos, we saw how to plot lines of the form y is equal to mx plus c, right? And we saw that the number that is stick to x or close to x, or the coefficient in front of x, is the gradient, okay? And the number that is at the end of the equation, like that, the c, is the y-intercept. Now, I would like to introduce you to different forms of the same equation here. So in this case, for example, y is equal to negative 2x plus 3, I can say that the gradient is equal to negative 2 and the y-intercept is equal to 3. But this is not the only way of writing this equation. I can write it like y is equal to 3 minus 2x. So I just flip the order of negative 2x and 3. I can write it as y plus 2x is equal to 3. So I'm just sending this negative 2x to the other side with the opposite sign, and I will get that y plus 2x is equal to 3. I can write it as 2x plus y is equal to 3. So I'm just flipping the order here. I can write it as, I will move everything on the same side. So 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So all of these are possible ways of writing the same equation. And you need to understand that all of these are equivalent, okay? And if they will write that this is the equation of a line, they are correct. If they write that this is the equation of the line, they are correct. But the only way, or the only form that will give you what is the gradient is this form, okay? Y is equal to a number or a coefficient times x plus 3. So this is, whenever they will ask you to get the gradient of a graph or a line, you need to change, or you need to move from whatever form of these to this one, okay, to get the gradient, right? Those are acceptable forms, but the only form that you need to work with, or the most informative form that you better work with, is this form, y is equal to mx plus c. Now, let's take this example. They will give you the equation of a line is 2y minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. And the first question shows that this equation is the equation of a straight line. Well, to answer on a question like that, it means I need to change this in the form y is equal to ax plus c. So this is exactly what you need to do. And it's like, yeah, I'm changing the subject of this expression. I'm putting y as a subject of this expression or a formula. So I will start by writing it like that. 2y minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. And I will start by sending 4 to the other side with a negative sign. So 2y minus 3x is equal to negative 4. Next, I will send the negative 3x here to the other side with the opposite sign. So 2y is equal to 3x minus 4. And at the end, I will divide both sides by 2. So y is equal to 3x minus 4 divided by 2. Well, I can write this in a different way, since I can divide 3x by 2 and then minus 4 divided by 2. And 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 here. So this is the new form that I got. And yeah, I can write it as y is equal to 1.5 x minus 2, since 3 over 2 is equal to 1.5. So yeah, I proved that I can write it as y is equal to mx minus 2. So yeah, this is the equation of the straight line. Now, they ask you, find the gradient of the line 2y minus 3x plus 4. So to find the gradient, I'm not using this form. I will use the other form, this one. So I have y is equal to 1.5x minus 2. So the coefficient in front of x is the gradient. So the gradient of this equation, or this line, is equal to 1.5, okay? This is the gradient. And the last question, they ask you to draw the line 2y minus 3x plus 4. So to do so, I just need to get the coordinates of 2 points on that line. And to do so, I will use a table of values like that. Well, I advise you to do 3 values like that. I know we only need 2 points, but the third one is just to verify if you got it correct. So if I will substitute x by 0 here, it will be 1.5 times 0, so it's 0 minus 2. So y is equal to negative 2. X is equal to 2. So 2 times 1.5 is 3. 3 minus 2, it's 1. And 4 times 1.5, it's 6. Minus 2, it's 4. So I have 3 points. I just need to plot the points 0, 0, negative 2, 2, 1, and 4, 4. And just join them together to get the line. And this is exactly what I did here. So A, B, and C, and join them together, and I got the line. All right, so this is how you plot lines. Just substitute the value of x with random values. Well, here I'm choosing the simplest values for me to get the calculus, and it's up to you how to choose these values, right? Okay, to verify that you watched the video, write the second letter of your name, right, when sending your work. Okay, have a good day. I will see you during the Zoom session. Bye-bye.